So what is AI marketing? AI marketing is the application of AI technology to the field of marketing. It can be used to automate tasks, optimize customer insights, create content, and provide personalized customer experiences. AI has the potential to transform how marketers approach key areas such as customer segmentation, prospecting, and creating marketing campaigns. AI can help marketers analyze customer data more quickly and accurately than humans ever could. AI can also identify patterns from customer interactions and provide deep insights, which help marketers better understand customer behavior. This, in turn, can help marketers develop more targeted advertising campaigns and personalize their customer experience. AI can be used to automate tedious marketing tasks, such as social media scheduling, email outreach, and tracking website visitor behavior. This can help marketers save time and operate more efficiently. Overall, AI is changing how marketing is done. It can help marketers make better decisions, reach a larger customer base, and improve customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about AI marketing, be sure to check us out and to see what it is that we have in regards to AI marketing and all the marketing tools that can be utilized under one system. So, thanks again. Thanks for listening. I hope I was very informative to you, and you can have a great day.